In this video, I will show you how you can contact Payoneer live chat. First, what we need to do is we need to open up a Google browser or any browser for that sake. And from up here, you're gonna search in how to contact Payoneer live chat. And once you're here, you should see the first one pop up is live assistance. This link right here. Click on it. And once you're in here, it will start to connect you to the live chat. Now, sometimes there is no live chat, so it will say status cancelled, as it just did right here. Sometimes you'll do that and you cannot get through. However, then you need to press here, submit inquiry, or you can request email response. You can choose those, and then you can still contact Payoneer support. Sometimes you cannot get through, like I said, so that's a little bit annoying. But yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. You just go to Google, search for it, come to this website, and then try and get through. If you don't get through, just send an email. That's it, guys.